Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix battle return error. Unable to resume battle, please wait for it to finish. So if you are getting this error, so here are some of the fixes that you can try to fix this error. So what you have to do, you have to sign to a different account and do the tutorials and then log out and then went back to the main account and then you can load into the game. That will take around 2 to 3 minutes and then this error will be fixed. You can simply tap and hold the Squadra game app and there you can select the profile. So here how you can switch profile and then you can play the tutorial, then switch profile back to the main profile and then your problem will be fixed. If not, then you can also create a new account or another account and then go to the tutorial, play the first game and then exit and then switch back to your main account. This will also fix the error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.